Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get iOS 26 theme on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to get the iOS 26 theme on your Samsung phone, first of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just select your language. Then tap on Continue. From here, just tap on Continue and tap on Get Started. Tap on Skip, and from here you can either select a wallpaper or you can tap on Skip. For now, I will select this wallpaper, then tap on Set Wallpaper. And from here you can either purchase the premium subscription of this app or you can tap on Continue with Ads. Now just tap on Get Started. From here, tap on Set as Default and select Launcher OS. Then select Set as Default. And once you do that, you will get the iOS 26 theme on your Samsung phone. But if you also want to get the liquid glass icon theme on your Samsung phone, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit. From here, just select Customize Theme. Select Allow. And from here, you will find the liquid glass icon pack. Just tap on it and tap on Apply. Tap on Apply. And once you do that, you will get the liquid glass icon style on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can get iOS 26 theme on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.